Okay, here's example number 2. We're still modeling with the algebraic tiles. Again, we have the tile or the model example right here. This is our equation model. 3 x's, 2 squares, and then we have 2, 4, 6, 8 squares. So we're going to write that equation down here. So we have 3x, so you just put 3x together. And because these are yellow and they don't have a negative sign in front of them or they're not red, that's a positive 2. We bring down our equal sign and we have 2, 4, 6, 8 on this other side. And we just go ahead and write that equation. Now we're going to solve for our variable. The first thing we can do is find out that our variable is attached to this 3. So we look at this 2 over here. What's the operation that's happening? It's a plus 2. So we need to do the inverse or the opposite operation, which is a minus 2. So I did that in red for you down here. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. And go ahead and solve those. So I have 3x plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 and minus 2 equals 0. So I just bring down my 3x, bring down my equal sign. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Now, in the black right here, I have 3 times x. When it's side by side like that, it's multiplication. So I identify the operation happening, multiplication. Then I apply the inverse. The opposite of multiplication is division. That's what this sign right here is. That's the dividing sign. So I divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. It doesn't equal 0, it equals 1. But 1x is just the x by itself. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. I have 6 divided by 3. Because I'm dividing this by 3, I divide this by 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So x equals 2. Now, to justify my answer, to make sure I got it correct, I'm going to take that x equals 2, and where I see an x, I'm going to replace it with the 2. And that's what you're going to see right here. So 3 times, where it was x, now it's 2, plus 2, and I have a plus 2 down here, and 8 and 8. So 3 times x, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 equals 8. Does 8 equal 8? Yes, it does. That's a true statement, so I know I have my answer correct, as in x equals 2.